and cables, no CD player, he prefers turntables. He says, hey girl, them speakers ain't new, had them stored in the garage for a decade or two. That amp, no girl, says he's owned it for years, he just brought it down from the attic upstairs. When he's 6 feet under, I'll sell all his shit. I don't even care about taking a hit. When he's finally gone, I get to show him who's boss. Gonna sell all his gear for what he told me it cost. He's got golden ears, a thing for speakers. He's king on the forums, lord of the tweakers. Spends his money on gear, hides it under the stairs. He's got boxes of stuff, ain't opened in years. He buys the FedEx guy all of his beer. He drives around the block until the coast is clear. Stuff gets damaged, he brings a replacement, delivers his boxes right into the basement. He's got guns in the closet, cars on the lot, a boat in the driveway that time forgot. Cameras, watches, a motorcycle too. Paid a fortune for it all, he thinks I don't have a clue. When he's 6 feet under, I'll sell all his shit. I don't even care about taking a hit. When he's finally gone, I get to show him who's boss. Gonna sell all his gear for what he told me it cost. When he's 6 feet under, I'll sell all his shit. I don't even care about taking a hit. When he's finally gone, I get to show him who's boss. Gonna sell all his gear for what he told me it cost.